On this Chong the Dog nature walk, we found good nature footage. Very good nature footage. Look at this. All these wonderful little ducks are just sitting around this tree getting some shade. They got no cares in the world. Look, that one's fluttering its leaf. These guys are protected by the gated community over here. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was so perfect, that shot. Yes. A photographer couldn't ask for a better shot like this. Alright, I'm gonna go under this tree. I'm trying not to move the camera because my dog's ridiculous sometimes. Alright, come on, Chong, let's go. And here's more. Yes, here's more, guys. Oh my god. Just gonna let this be. Alright, it seems like when I move closer to Chong, they move this way. Here we go. Oh yes, this is really pretty. This is an awesome nature walk footage. Got those birds there. I don't know if it's Canadian geese or ducks or what it is. Duck family. Even though I love nature, I don't know all their names. I truly don't. I should know more of the animal names. I know the basics, but I know this is really epic and beautiful. I will tell you that. It was like God said, let's go here and get the perfect shot. And I think I got it. Maybe today's my day where I'll be able to draw that baby on YouTube. Because I do want to draw the baby on YouTube. Look at the other ducks that look different from them are over that way. They are so gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed our nature walk and have a blessed day, everybody, from Chong the Dog on YouTube.